Join me as I take on the wild challenge of bringing Lilo and Stitch back to life using some crazy DIY methods. You know, it's no secret that fans can get pretty passionate about their favorite characters, and Lilo and Stitch are no exception. The idea of bringing them back to life is something that has captured the imaginations of so many people, and it's easy to see why. Who wouldn't want to see these beloved characters strut their stuff on the big screen once again? But, bringing characters back to life is no easy feat, especially when it comes to storytelling. One of the biggest challenges is managing fan expectations. When a character is revived, fans naturally have certain hopes and dreams about what will happen next, and meeting those expectations can be incredibly tough. On top of that, resurrecting characters can also have a significant impact on the original narrative, potentially altering the meaning and significance of the original story. For instance, if we were to bring Lilo and Stitch back, would we be picking up where the original left off, or would we be exploring new territory? How would we reconcile the passage of time with the characters' original arcs? These are just a few of the questions that would need to be addressed in order to bring these characters back in a way that feels authentic and satisfying. Another challenge is dealing with the sheer weight of nostalgia. When we bring back beloved characters, we're not just reviving the characters themselves, we're also reviving the memories and emotions that fans associate with them. Meeting those expectations can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to something as iconic as Lilo and Stitch. But despite these challenges, there are still plenty of ways to bring characters back to life. One approach could be a direct sequel, picking up where the original left off and exploring new storylines and character arcs. Alternatively, we could go the reboot route, starting from scratch and reimagining the characters in a new and exciting way. Or, we could explore spin-off territory, delving into new characters and storylines that exist within the same universe. Each of these approaches has its pros and cons, and the right approach would depend on the specific goals and vision of the creators. But, no matter which route we take, one thing is for sure, it would require a deep understanding of what made the original characters so beloved in the first place. So, what if we were to bring Lilo and Stitch back in a way that honors their original spirit, while also introducing new and exciting elements to the story? One potential storyline could be an exploration of Lilo's journey into adulthood, as she navigates the challenges of growing up and finding her place in the world. Meanwhile, Stitch could be struggling to adapt to his new life on Earth, as he grapples with the consequences of his own growing up. Alternatively, we could go in a completely different direction, exploring new characters and storylines that exist within the same universe. Imagine a spin-off series that follows a new group of misfit Ohana, as they navigate their own adventures and misadventures on the island of Hawaii. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes the idea of bringing Lilo and Stitch back to life so exciting. It's not just about reviving the characters themselves, it's about exploring new stories, new themes, and new ideas that can capture the hearts of fans all over again. So, what do you think? How would you like to see Lilo and Stitch return? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other video for more Disney content. Thanks for watching.